Hi everyone. So in today's video, I'm just basically going to show you guys how I pack and ship my giveaway orders. So I chose to do a giveaway to all of my fellow queens who decided to subscribe to my email list on my website, bridgetcloset.com. So I felt like since my brand is based around queens and being in a queendom, what better gift than to give you guys these gorgeous queen based slides. So I really hope you guys enjoy your gift for all of those who signed up. You will also be receiving this gorgeous thank you card for your support. Support to me means anything dealing with my company, whether it's a like, a share, a comment, of course, purchasing a product. That is all support in my eyes. So to be rewarded for that, I also decided to give them a 15% off discount code as well. So this is what my business card looks like. As you can see, it is equivalent to a credit card, which I think is super cute. And on the back, I just have all of my social media handles. So here, I'm just going to show you guys how I pack all of the orders. So here I'm just going in with the slides and putting it inside of an organza bag along with 2 business cards and my thank you card. And then I'm just going to close it up and put it inside of a poly mailer. And I'm just going to keep repeating this throughout the entire video. And then later on, I'm just going to show you guys how I ship them off. So enjoy. Okay, and I also forgot to mention that if you guys are interested in that sweater set that I currently have on, it is on my website, bridgetcloset.com. Of course, I will have the link down below in the description box. She is very stretchy. She runs true to size. The material is very soft and nice and warm. And so make sure you guys go check out the set. It also comes in an array of different colors as well. So yeah.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Harder, harder.
Okay, so for these particular set of slides, they will not be getting shipped out. Most of these are from my close friends and family that live nearby, and also a few of my coworkers as well. So they'll just be receiving it inside of a gift bag, and I'll be delivering it to them. So if you guys are interested in knowing where I got all my cute little supplies from when it comes to my tissue paper and my organza bags and my gift bags, everything came from, yes, you guessed it, Amazon. Amazon is like the one-stop shop, right? So yes, that's where all of these cute little supplies came from.
A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Away. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Harder, harder.
Okay, you guys, so as you guys will see here, I really struggled with this printer initially. Like, when I tell you those labels would not come out right, size wise, I was like, oh my God, I did not think it would be this hard to, ship from pirate ship and create a label, but eventually I did get it right. If you guys are interested in knowing how I was able to fix this problem, make sure you comment down below and I would do a video on how I just basically used 2 clicks to get this right. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my personalized stickers. Now originally this was my logo, but I ended up changing it. And I'm also going to apply these fragile stickers as well. For those of you who are not aware, these mail carriers, baby, they will treat your package any kind of way, honey. Okay, so make sure you put that fragile sticker on your package.